Kani gade ka Pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Bante la kami ki jingja yatin kho kali ki bajuja na kapor hakaleng ka district hakane ka kanti katna state transports ringkat ka jingitai lang bat ka office jang deputy commissioner ka East Castles district hanne ka singi ka khatpra tarik unailar kala pelong ya ka program ka balatep kum ka road safety advocacy halor ka phangpdeng your safety secures your family. Be cautious on roads. But yakani ke jelang la pelong hasusu tham auditorium Shillong. Hakani ke jelang la don kat ru menteri sarkar badai kmi ekatna transport jong sarkar jela. Uba HDR Lingdo nang ta chief secretary ke jela Y Sering, u director general of police SB Singh, nang ta commissioner and secretary katna transport uba Tidkhar, u DC ke East Castles district uba Peter Asdkhar bat kiwe.
Road safety program is road safety is very important because all our life are very precious. We need to protect each and everyone's life. There are many road accidents we have seen, and apart from road accidents, there are also some other natures of accidents which the government have to take preventive measures, and along with the measures taken by the government, we need your support, we need your cooperation. Else, we cannot minimize the numbers of, we cannot contain the numbers of accidents and minimize the numbers of death.
I will never drive on the wrong side of the road.
I will remain calm and responsible while driving.
I will remain calm and responsible while driving.
I will maintain my vehicle's condition.
I will maintain my vehicle's condition.
I will not drink and drive.
I will not drink and drive.
I will obey traffic rules and I pledge to drive safely.
I will obey traffic rules and pledge to drive safely.
Let's join our hands in road safety, keeping our roads safe and secure. Make our fellow passengers and pedestrians happy. Be citizens who are trustworthy. Upon achieving these goals, we need to follow some rules. First one for the children going to school. Then there is traffic, walk in a straight line. Then for the speeding, cars to go.
Kiwai par ki program balapun por ki kentop ya ke jinginya thok bat ke jingiya pajba da ki samla ki balara rengkat ki plakat ban pen sapriang ya ke khubor ban long ki bapai ngor hasurok habak ya ki yang ne kinya kali.
Please to write your name. Huh.